guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. Sorry about all the traffic noise. My road gets kind of busy sometimes. Today we're going to do a little project here on, basically we're going to try to conserve some of our pasture for the winter. And how we usually do that is we'll take some of these gates right here and we'll put them across, you know, up here so the horses can't get up there. That'll give that a chance to, you know, kind of rejuvenate a little bit over the winter time, and we won't lawn them up there until probably late spring. Give that grass a little chance to grow, and they also don't tear it up when it gets muddy, because you know it's coming. You know, the wet season's coming. So we'll go ahead and move all these gates over there. Probably need about 4 of them to get across there, and we'll get them set up. So let's get at it. Start doing this, I'm going to make sure the power is unplugged on this fence because it's got some voltage to it for sure. So I definitely want to get it unplugged here. Alright, that makes me feel a little better. Alright, let's go over here and get, hopefully 4 will do it. Not I'll have to grab one more. But I'll come over here and I'll show you what we'll do. Okay, so I'll just probably tie to that pole right there. Just take it across and tie to a pole over there. It doesn't need to be straight, whatnot, just secure. And in the middle, I'll just drive a couple T-posts. But I want to come up here. I might go one more. I might go to this one here. Just because of those leaves. Some leaves are pretty harmful to horses. You don't want them eating them. I can't remember, I think it's black walnut maybe. It's like the deadliest one for horses. I might be wrong on that. But there are a lot of leaves out there that horses cannot eat and it makes them really, really sick. So I'm going to go ahead and get these 4 up and see if I need another one, and we'll go from there. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'll go get some T-posts and I'll drive them behind this fence so the horses can't push the fence over, and I'll just wire it to the gate or to the post. So let's go ahead and get those T-posts and get them drove, and we'll be in good shape. Okay guys, it's a little bit too warm out here. I have a sweatshirt on, but this is only temporary. That's why it's put up with wires and stuff like that. Just a little bit of wire around the post to hold it sturdy. A couple wires right there, and that T-post right there. They won't mess with it. Like I said, this is only to ensure that the front of that pasture will get some growth on it this spring, and it doesn't get tore up when it gets wet. The ground's extremely hard right now. That was pretty tough putting that T-post in. So that's good for that pasture. Now our back pasture here, we will do the same thing if we have enough gates. I'm not sure, but basically we will go kind of see. I'll take it a little closer. You can kind of see where the grass starts. We'll start the gates there and just come all the way across. That way they stay up front here, because these two will stay out all winter. We're gonna put a windshield on the windshield, like a basically a wall on the end of that lean-to to protect them from the wind, and they'll be fine. They like to be outside anyhow. That's it for that. Now we'll do that one tomorrow when I have a little bit more help, because there's quite a few more gates I got to do. I'm just kind of by myself today. But that's pretty much what we do to try to conserve our pastures. We don't have a lot pastured in here because most of our property is hayfield back here, which that's fine. You know, I mean, they do get out. We have a small pasture out back here to just throw them out for a little bit. The center one is our biggest one. It's probably, I don't know, I'd say about an acre and a half. And then this front one is a little under an acre. Not big pastures. I wish we had 40 acres for them to run around, but we don't. So we make do with what we got, and we try to conserve them, like I said, to get the grass to grow, and that's the way we do it. But that's our chore for today, and I hope you guys liked the video. And if you guys are interested, I do have merch. I just started the store, so the stuff is kind of basic. I do have a sweatshirt on now. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just, they're kind of plain Jane. I'm just starting out. I'm not real creative when it comes to designing stuff, so it's going to take me a little bit. But go check it out. I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out. Other than that, just give me a thumbs up. It really helps me, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.